If you want to turn off Hostinger Auto Renewal, I'll walk you through the exact steps in this quick guide. This is useful if you no longer want a plan to renew automatically, or if you just want more control over your hosting billing. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Hostinger account, especially if you manage more than one website or subscription. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Billing. This is where Hostinger keeps your payment and subscription settings, so this is the first place you need to go. After that, find and click on Subscriptions. On the Subscriptions page, you'll see the active plans tied to your account. Take a moment to locate the exact plan you want to manage, because this is important if you have more than one service with Hostinger. Next, click on the plan you want to change. This should open the details for that subscription, where you can view renewal settings, billing information, and plan status. Now, look for the option to disable auto renewal. In most cases, it will be clearly labeled, and all you need to do is turn it off or confirm that you do not want the plan to renew automatically. Hostinger may ask you to review the change or confirm your decision, so follow the on-screen prompt carefully. Once auto renewal is disabled, your subscription will no longer renew automatically at the end of the billing cycle. That means you'll stay in control of whether you continue the plan or let it expire. It's always a good idea to double-check the subscription status after making the change, just to confirm that auto renewal is actually turned off. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same billing and subscriptions area to turn it back on. So to recap, log into Hostinger, open billing, go to subscriptions, select your plan, and disable auto renewal. That's all it takes. If this walkthrough saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Hostinger tips, website tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.